Good morning. Today I will discuss about the requirements for installing Tally 9. Means that is the what are the requirements installing of the Tally software. That is in famous questions in 1 year. Sorry, 1 year back or 2 year back in questions explain the requirements for installing Tally Airplane. Then first one is hardware requirements. Hardware requirements, then in it is the the following minimum configuration is required by Tally for efficient response. That is the efficient response of the Tally requirements. And second one is processor. It is the IBM PC compatible, IBM International Business Machine personal computers compatible, 80586 or better. That is the one. The next one is third one is RAM or main memory is 256 or more MB. That is the RAM or main memory storage capacity is 256 or more options. And next one is free disk storage. Then it is the at least 40 MB is space of your hard disk, 40 MB space or hard disk. The next one is installation methods or installation drive is CD-ROM drive. That is the installation options. Next, sixth one is operating system software. Then it is the operating system software means that is the Windows XP, Windows 7 and next Vista or Net and other options. That is the operating system. Tally works on all major PC operating platform as a Microsoft Windows 98 and above. That is the minimum is Windows 98 or Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 9 or Windows etc. That is that Tally is able to auto detect the operating system platform. The next one is it is the 5 marks questions. Advantage of Tally or technologies. That is simple. First one is simple and rapid installation. How to installation of the software or Tally software. That is Tally 9 is very simple to installation. It is menu driven installation procedure. Program files can be called on any drive if the hard disk has portion. That is the device system of the hard disk. That is the any one options in the or any one space of the simple and rapid installation. Minimum in capacity is 40 MB in installations. The next second one is unlimited multi-user supports. That is operating is with Tally 9 you can install multi-user version on network having any number of computers with different operating system. Then it is the operating systems in a software in requirements of installation Tally. Then it is sixth one, the same as unlimited multi-user supports. Then it is with Tally 9 you can install multi-user version on a network having any number of computer with different types of the operating systems such as Windows 95, 98, NT, 2000, 07, XP and Linux. The next one is third one is internal backup or restore options. That is backup means that is the storage of the capacity, internal backup and restore. That is Tally 9 has an inbuilt user friendly backup and restore options. The user can take a backup of one or more companies or all companies in single directory. That is the all in operating or in single directory is called internal backup or restore options. The next fourth one is data reliability. Tally 9 offers reliable data. It uses a flexible or flexi field, flexi length, self-indexed weight file structured for any extremely compact and fast database. That is the data reliability. And next one is fifth one, that is user defined security level. That is fifth one is user defined security level. Tally 9 offers wide range of security. User have the options to define multi levels of security according to the requirements. And next sixth one is data security, that is security of the data in Tally. Then Tally 9 has the data integrity checks. This feature ensure that there are no extra changes to the data. Tally 9 uses as a binary encoding in format. Binary means that is the 0 to 1, or that is the binary digit number. Binary coding form of storage capacity. Next, seventh one is Tally audit the or Tally audit. The Tally 9 audit features provides the user with administrators right and the capability to check the entries made by the authorized users. Then it is the right and the capability to check the user entries made by the authorized users, means that is the operating of the users, that is the features or provides user the with administrators that right and the capability to check the entries made by the authorized users. The next eighth one is Tally Vault, that is value added text. Tally Vault. Tally 9 offers a data encryption option called Tally Vault. The next ninth one is removal of data into separate company. Then it is the removal of data into separate company. Tally 9 allows user to maintain a company for any number of financial year. That is the storage of the data in removable is, that is the backup memory. Then you can use to the how many years you can entering of the data or entering of the uh, financial data, that is allows user to maintain company for any number of financial year. The next one is 10th one, multi directory for company management. Then Tally 9 provides the user to create multiple directories to store data. The data stored in these directories can be accessed directly in Tally 9 by specifying the path. The next 11th one, import and export of data. Tally 9 allows the users to export and import any transaction to other software, means that is the import and export of the other transaction, any transaction to other software after suitable altering the current structure to accept the Tally 9 the data structure. Last one is 12th one, email facility. Then in this Tally have email facilities. The Tally 9 allows to mail any Tally 9 reports or documents. It also supports mass mailing of reports, such pay slips, confirmation statements, and others. These are the options to sending of the email in Tally options. Other than next class, we can discussion about the components of the Tally. Thank you.